Hi, Monty McKinnon here. Thank you for joining me. Really pleased you're here. I want to show you something really neat. I took off the gold knobs off the tuners and I put on these black ones. What do you think of that? I really like the look of that. It looks great from the back and it looks great from the front. I just felt there was too much gold on there and I thought that would just change it up a little bit, and I kind of like that. So it's done. This one is finished and I'm really pleased with it. Now I need to know how you're going to vote. And here's the question. Do I go with another Cutaway, or do I go with the traditional guitar that comes right up in here? Now, I've got the sides here of the Brazilian that I'm going to use. And by the way, this Brazilian has some wormholes in it, just a couple. The back has a couple as well. Not an issue at all, because I'll use the Starbond CA glue, and they have a black which I can just tap in here. I'll put some wax paper underneath here and then fill that and then sand it down. You'll never see it. It'll finish up beautifully. It'll be perfect. So I'm not too concerned about that. Starbond to the rescue. Thank you, people at Starbond. You're the best. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't got any of that glue, you really need to have it on hand, because you never know when you're going to come across a wormhole and you need to fix that up. So let's do that. Now, back to the vote. Do we do the traditional guitar like you saw on the last one we made, or do we do the Cutaway? It's not just which one looks better. I mean, I like the look of this. I think most people like the look of a Cutaway. But the question is, does it have better sound than a traditional? Remember, with the traditional, you've got the top. Remember, this is a drum, and this is the top. So this is what gives us our sound. So if this is coming into here, we've got more room up here for our drum skim to move back and forth. That should give us better sound. I don't know if that's true or not. Now, how many of you, I would like to know, I want to hear from you. How long have you been playing a guitar? Do you actually have a Cutaway? Do you play up in here? We're at fret 14 here. So do you play in 15 and 16 and 17? I would suspect that most players who are not professional don't do that. So that would beg, other than the aesthetics, what is the point of this? Do you think that the traditional guitar gives better sound? Or do you think it can't be discerned? Is it that this is a good sound or is better than the other? And if you've been playing for a while, tell me what you think, because depending upon the answers I get will decide what it is I'm going to do with this. Now, I'm going to start, I'm putting this video up early so that you can vote and let me know what you think. But I am going to start bending at least the back side here. I can do that. I won't bend the other side until I kind of decide what I want to do in here. I've done 24 guitars. I think it's 24. Of the 24, 2 have been the traditional. Everything else has been a Cutaway. So, getting a little bored maybe with the Cutaway, but it looks good, sounds good, everybody likes it. Is that enough reason to do it? So let me know what you think. I really appreciate that. Check out the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out Leo Santarelli, because he's got a couple of really neat videos that he's just put up there, and he's doing a much better job, and I'm really proud of him. He's really doing well. There's a link to his YouTube channel down below as well. And we will call it a day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, and don't forget to comment and let me know what you think. I really need to hear from you. You're the best. Bye for now.